Accelerometer Calibration on remedē models 1100 and 1600. How to calibrate the position sensor within the implanted device. These steps are after initial interrogation of the device. The position sensor calibration is essential for determining the patient's sleeping position and posture/pitch. This measurement distinguishes whether the patient is standing/seated or lying down in the anticipated sleeping position. The accelerometer calibration icon is available in several locations. However, for this video, we will concentrate on a central location, specifically the Tools pull-down menu positioned at the top left-hand side. Simply click on Tools and proceed to accelerometer calibration. Ensure the wand is positioned over the patient's device for this process. The accelerometer calibration window will appear, requiring configuration for two postures to calibrate the position sensor. Instruct the patient to lie down flat in a supine position and select the supine button to save this position. Afterward, ask the patient to stand upright and click the upright button to save the upright position. Once both supine and upright positions are saved, click the calibrate button to calibrate the position sensor within the implanted device. Successful calibration is confirmed by reading accelerometer calibration rotation OK in the programmer history window in the bottom left-hand corner. These are the steps to calibrate the position sensor within the device.